Hello children, how are you? In the previous class we have completed doing exercise 2.1. Today we will start exercise 2.2. Here some application we have to learn. So last exercise there it was already given the equation and we are solving to find the unknown variables value. Here but that statement is given. By reading the statement carefully, you have to make the equation properly and then find the variables value. Let's see first question. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? One more time you read and write. If you subtract half from a number. So here number is missing. So we can assume the number as x. So let the number be x and subtract half from the number. That means x minus 1 by 2 and multiply the result by half. So how to? Half into x minus 1 by 2 because half to multiply with the number subtracting from the number half. Okay, and you will get the result is 1 by 8. So by reading this statement, we can make an equation, then we can solve it. See how to solve this. So the question is, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So here let the number be x. We are assuming the number as x because we don't know the value of x. After subtracting half from this number, we get the number as x minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now multiply it by half, we will get the number half into x minus 1 by 2. According to the question, we can form an equation that according to the question we can write in short form ATQ according to the question as half into x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. This is our equation. Here x is the variable, that is the number. We have to find the value of x. So here half into x minus 2, we can make it as the LCM. X is x by 1. So LCM is 2. Then 2x minus 1. 2 x by 1. 1. 2 times 2 into x. 2x minus 2 into 1 time and 1. So 2x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Now solve 2x minus 1 by 4. 1 into 2x minus 1 is 2x minus 1. 2 into 2 it is 4 is 1 by 8. Now solve 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 into 4. Why? Because 4 we are transposing into the RHS side. So division will be multiplication. So 2x minus 1 is 4. 2 times in 8. That means 1 by 2. Here 2x equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. Why? Because minus 1 we are taking into the RHS side. Minus will be plus. So 1 by 2 plus 1. Then 2x equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1. Why? For solving, first we have to find the LCM. 2 into 1, that is 2. And solve that. 2x is equal to 1 plus 2 by 2. So here 2x equal to 3 by 2. Then from x, 2x from x equal to 3 by 2. Down here into multiply. Because into 2, because here 2 is there, it is multiplication. Divide means opposite multiplication. So here 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. Here 1 or not written, it's okay. So 3 by 2, 2s are 4. So the number is 3 by 4. Now second question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Little confusing here. Its length is 2 meter more, twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So here what we have to assume the number or length or breadth? We have to assume here let the breadth of the swimming pool be x meter, because it is not given that breadth value and saying that length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. So we don't know breadth. So breadth be x and it's 2 meter more and twice its breadth. So how we can make that formula? 2 times 2 meter more and twice of its breadth. 2 times breadth and 2 meter more. 2 times breadth, 2 into breadth and plus 2, that means 2 meter more. So let's see how can we solve this. Here we can use the formula perimeter of a rectangle. You are already knowing, 2 into L plus B. Let the breadth of a swimming pool be x meter. We are assuming breadth as x meter. Perimeter of swimming pool 154 meter. It is already given in the problem. So according to the question, length of swimming pool is equal to 2 into breadth plus 2. Why 2 into breadth? 2 times or twice 2 into breadth and 2 meter more. So plus 2. So we can get 2x plus 2 meter. Okay. So according to the question, length of a swimming pool is equal to 2 into breadth plus 2 equal to 2x plus 2 meter. Now perimeter of the swimming pool. Normally formula for finding perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B is already given in the sum question as 154. 154 meter. Okay. So 100 and we can write the equation as 154 meter equal to 2 into 2x plus 2 plus x. Why? 2 times breadth plus 2, that is the length. This full 2x plus 2 is the length and L plus B is there and breadth is already x. So our equation will be 154 meter is equal to 2 into 2x plus 2 plus x. So 2x plus x is 3x and plus 2. And we are taking here 2 into multiplication. So we are taking into LHS side will be divide. So 154 divided by 2 is equal to 2x plus x, 3x plus 2. Okay. Now 154, 2, how many times? 77. Divide. Equal to 3x plus 2. Then we can find the value taking 2 as one side. That 3x equal to 77 minus 2, that is 75. The next value, here multiplication, so divide 75 by 3 equal to 25. So x is 25 meter. That means our breadth we got 25 meter. We got breadth of swimming pool, that is x, that is 25 meter. So once we will get the breadth, we can find the length. So what is the statement here? Length of the swimming pool is equal to 2x plus 2. That means x value is 25 meter. Already we got breadth 25 meter. So 2 into 25 plus 2. That means 2x plus 2. 2 into 25 is 50 plus 2 is 2. That means 50 plus 2, 52 meter. So 52 meter is the length of the pool and the breadth is 25 meter. So this way, by reading the question carefully, statement in the form of statement it is given. So you have to make the equation first. Then to solve the equation we can find the answer. Hope all you understood. Next class we can continue third question. Till then, you practice at home. Take care. Bye-bye.